Okay, now that you have unboxed the device, I will show you how quickly you can set up your CCM60, okay, to control an external system. Okay, so now what we have, I'm gonna put it onto a thin rail. Okay, so if you have seen just now, we actually have two discrete input-output options where you can use to control an external PLC or relay. Okay, so I'll be using a relay from Wago, and you can see the output when the output is lighted up. Okay, so now just put the control plus onto 1, which is the place for output 1, and then after that send it to the common ground. Okay, and similarly we need to power up the device, so just connect up the 24V plus to the plus logo and 24V minus to the minus logo. Okay, voila, that's all you need. Okay, so now let me turn on my device, and if you see over here, this is the portion where this is the distance sensor, which can sense the cabinet door is closed or open. Okay, so what we're gonna do, so in order to control the device, all you need is actually a USB, micro USB port. Okay, the one that's used for all Android devices. Now open up the cover, plug in the cable. Okay, and you can just use your browser, any internet HTML5 compatible browser, and type in this address. Okay, 123.1/SMAC. Okay, and over here you'll get into the login page controlling the device. So copy the password is actually the same as the username, hubadmin. Copy and paste it in. Now the new CCM60 actually provides you with a very user-friendly UI for you to control and calibrate and configure the different IOs and unit that you want to use. Okay, never mind. So now we'll be taking out data from the sensors, the onboard sensors. From the signal, select the sensors that you are interested in. Okay, I'll just add in the humidity and temperature for you to do additional monitoring. Okay, quick edit, enable, disable. Okay, and because this is an input, we will need to configure it into an output. Okay, quick edit, and wait, let's see, edit, and I can actually change this into an output over here. Okay, save, because I want to send that data into the external relay. Okay, so now how do I input logic into the system? Firstly, I can go back to IO management under signal connection, just quickly add, okay, let's say relay control. Okay, I can choose the input that I'm trying to monitor. Okay, and there's a lot of different options, but for now we just want to do a threshold comparison, and let me slowly scroll down. Okay, let's just say that if the signal is above a certain limit, a certain distance, I will trigger my output. Okay, so maybe let's do a very simple 300. Yeah, 300 mm. Okay, and I will next, and my output will be going into the DI1. Okay, save and configure. So now okay, let me point it. Can see now, right now the relay is open because the door is open. So when the door is closed, when the door is closed, the relay is closed. When the door is open, the relay is open. Very simple logic, implemented in less than 5 minutes. Okay. So now, additional things that you can do is also the unit can serve as a Modbus RTU server. Okay. Client, not server. So how do you do that? Is I can actually add Modbus client over here. And for this demo, I will be using it to monitor the vibration that's happening using a vibration sensor. Okay. So now I will need to configure what are the outputs that I have. Okay, so now we will need to configure what is the address. Okay, so in this example, as mentioned, I'll be using a vibration sensor from Banner Engineering. Okay, and the vibration, okay, the address of their vibration data is stored in 200 and 5201. Okay, this is for the mm vibration. The velocity, the vibration velocity in mm. And I can configure the Modbus ID. Save. Okay. And I can change the name if I like it. Okay. I will be doing a name by itself. Okay, so let's just say that, yeah, velocity in mm. Okay, mm per second. Let's see. Okay, so now I need to connect the hardware physically. What you need is actually just a RJ45 to M12 cable. Okay, so among all the different ports, if you can see over here, one of the port is the RJ45 port. Okay, so the first port, RJ45, I mean RS485. Okay, so connect it, and you can connect it to your sensor. Okay. I'm connected. Just wait a small moment for it to be powered on. Okay. And I need to enable the signal. Ready? Enable. Okay. Okay, and let me check again. Okay. Oh, I forgot. You need to configure the Modbus RTU type and the baud rate. Check the setting is correct according to your sensor, and save and configure. Okay, wait a while. Once it turns green, means that the signal is important. Okay, so you can see over here when I shake the vibration, the readings are there. Oh god, the fact that it's going negative means that you must remember to set the data type according to your data sheet. Okay, so for this data, you can also set it into an unsigned integer. So, and when I shake it very vigorously, you'll go up to the maximum value of 65535. Okay. Okay. And lastly, one more function is, if you want to view this, of course you don't need to come all the way to this page and use the cable. What I want to do is, I want to be able to view the values from the safety of my room, maybe the control room itself. So how can I actually do that? Firstly, we can go to the network. We can set a IP address for the different ports of the device itself. Okay, let me set a manual IP address. Okay, okay, right, saved. And secondly, the other thing that I need to activate is actually to go to the apps. There is this app called Flexplorer. If I enable it and I open the app, it actually gives you a inbuilt HMI, okay, dashboard for you to check what is the status of the system. Okay, so if I take up the cover, when the door is open, the signal is on. Okay, it also shows the vibration data in the vibration monitoring. Okay, so now what I want to do is actually to connect it up to my system. Okay, hook it up, and I can check whether I have connection. Okay, so I am using a media connection of, this is my Ethernet connection. I must make sure my static IP address is the same as the first three. Okay, so now I'll just type in the address and Flexplorer, and voila, I can see the same screen that I was looking at just now. So this allows you to remotely monitor your setting. Okay, so that's all. Have a good day.